Hello guys, this is Mauro from InputInfotech.com, and on this video we'll be looking into the changes for the Windows 10 15.0.25 and 15.0.31. Both of these test previews are minor updates for the Windows 10 Creators Update, but they include a few new features and improvements. So let's dive into these new changes. The changes that we're going to see in these two builds are happening on the settings app. So now when we go to system, we're going to see that the display page now has been updated. We no longer have the amount of monitors that you have connected to your computer right here, so that has been removed. And now we have the when you have multiple displays, if you want to detect, you can click the button right here. It's at the bottom of the page. Moving along now, when we let me see if nightlight settings, nothing has really changed other than the color and how this slider works. So we can just move on to the next change. Now when we go to let me see, when we go to accounts and then we go to sign-in options, we scroll down and now we're going to see a dynamic lock feature. This feature has been on the operating system for a few builds, but now Microsoft is talking about it and making it official. So supposedly starting on the Windows 10 build 15.0.31, now this feature actually works. And basically what it is, it allows you to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your computer, and with that, if your phone is on range, that means that your computer, that you are near to your computer, so your computer will stay unlocked. When you move away from the computer and the device is not nearby, the computer will lock automatically. So that's how this works. You can try it right now if you're installing this build, but unfortunately the device section, when you try to get to this section, it will crash the settings app. So it won't work unless you find a way to connect your phone via Bluetooth, which you can still do that using control panel and connecting a Bluetooth device like you used to on Windows 8 or Windows 7. So now we can move along, and then when we go to home and we go to the gaming section, now we're going to see nothing has changed on these pages, but what we're going to see now is that each page have their own icon right now. So those are the icons that are going to represent those pages. And we also see now that we didn't have the Xbox icon before, so now we have that. And let me see if we go to the other pages and if we see something different. No, pretty much everything stays the same. And on build 15.0.25, or starting on that build, now when we go to easy of access, we can come to Narrator and scroll down, and you can actually install Braille support on Windows 10. I already did that. You can, if you don't have it installed, the only thing you have to do is just click the install button, and then you will get this and these new settings. So if you need to use this feature, just connect a Braille display and you will be able to control it through these settings. Now when we go to home and we go to update and security, now we're going to see that Microsoft is updating the interface for active hours. Now when you click, we get a new experience to change your active hours. And before we used to have a Windows A style a window. Now we get this new, more rectangular view. I'm gonna click cancel, and basically that's pretty much all that's new. And on these two builds for the Windows 10 Creators Update. Another feature that Microsoft is including with the Windows 10 build 15.0.31, it's something called Compact Overlay, which basically brings picture-in-picture functionality to Windows 10. So none of the apps on Windows 10 now supports this feature, but it's enabled on the operating system, so developers have to implement this. Microsoft said that in the future the movies and TV and Skype will get this functionality. And let me show you right here. This is an image from Microsoft that shows you that if you're working, for example, like an Excel spreadsheet, you can minimize and have like a small view of a video right on the side. So that's how that works, and we're gonna have to wait until developers actually implement this so we can see this in action and actually use it. So that's pretty much everything that's new on the Windows 10 build 15.0.25 and build 15.0.31. From now on until the release of the Windows 10 Creators Update, we pretty much are not going to see any major changes because all the features are locked in now. So Microsoft, what it's doing now, is fixing bugs and just making it ready so everybody can install this update in the coming months. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and leave your comment. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I do thank you for viewing.